Healthy India and homeopathy goes hand in hand with the Indian wellness industry. Homeopathy is globally acclaimed for its preventive healthcare and treatment of many acute and chronic disorders. All this homeopathy, which is controlled under the Ayush, the government set up the Ministry of Ayush to promote the country's indigenous alternative medicine, which comes under Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. The objective of Ayush, which comes the upgrading educational standards of the Indian system of medicine and homeopathy colleges, strengthening existing research institute and facilitating time-bound research program, outlining scheme for promotion, cultivation and regeneration of the medicinal plant, evolving pharmacopoeia standards for the Indian system of medicine and homeopathy drugs. Total budget Government of India sanction for Ayush is 3,400 crores for next 5 years under the National Ayush Mission program. WHO launch of homeopathy research centers in November 2020. The World Homeopathy Organization selected India to set up the traditional medicine to strengthen the research, training and awareness of Ayurveda. For that, it is inaugurated 2 Ayurveda institutes. It emphasizes on the need to come up with the new international standard curriculum in Ayurveda, and that similar step should be undertaken for the homeopathy in order to bring in policy which will enhance the homeopathy system of medicine. Enormous advances in public health in last 150 years, while acute fatal diseases have declined, chronic, long-lasting and disabling conditions have increased. In high-income countries, approximately 30% of patients in intensive care units are affected by at least one hospital-associated infection, and low and middle-income countries, the infection rate is 2 to 3 times more than that. Pandemic events could cause the world financial load on health policies. Over 100 million people in India use the homeopathy as their sole source of medicine. A Swiss government report cited the 6 out of 7 control studies of homeopathy efficacy in comparison to the conventional medicine found it more effective. The WHO called for closer incorporation of homeopathy into Western medical system. The development of research and evaluation structures combined with the critical education in discipline would help to improve practices and define homeopathy's potential role in relation to the other therapies. WHO called for closer incorporation of homeopathy into Western medical system. The development of research and evaluation structures combined with the critical education in the discipline would help to improve practices and define homeopathy's potential role in relation to the other therapies. WHO issued a draft entitled Homeopathy Review and Analysis of Report on Controlled Clinical Trials, claimed that the majority of peer-reviewed scientific papers published over the past 40 years have demonstrated that homeopathy is superior to placebo in placebo-controlled trials and is equivalent to conventional medicines. WHO states that homeopathy is the second most used medical system internationally, with over 1 billion in expenditure for such therapy. WHO initiates steps towards the standardization in preparation of homeopathic medicine. In European, 29% use it for their healthcare. Heartening research, Dr. Nicholas Haag in München, Germany, using homeopathy to treat depression. In United Kingdom, the British royal family has been under the homeopathic care since 1820, and there has been there has always been a royal homeopathic doctor. The Queen carries her black box of homeopathic remedies that includes the 60 vials of homeopathic medicine with her on all her travels. In France, at least 6 French medical schools offers courses leading to degree in homeopathy, and homeopathy is taught in all pharmacy school and in 4 veterinary schools. The best-selling cure remedy in France is homeopathic medicine Anasbar 200, commonly marketed under the trade name of Ocellin. In Switzerland, 5.1% of Swiss patients undergoing kidney transplant is using homeopathy as a complementary medicine. USA, according to the National Center of Homeopathy, sale of homeopathic remedies in the US are over 300 million and are increased by 12% per year. The regulation of healthcare practices varies from one country to another country. As far as people demand a quality, multidimensional homeopathy healthcare, governments are obliged to provide. Undoubtedly, homeopathy is the medicine for 21st century. Now, present status of homeopathy in India. It is controlled by Ayush, Government of India, under which the Central Council of Research in Homeopathy and National Commission for Homeopathy. The aim initiative of travel and hospitality in global homeopathy tourism, upgrade homeopathy hospitals under common national accreditation, homeopathy as immunity boosting shells, homeopathy as a cosmetology prescriptions, homeopathy health mobile apps, homeopathy in consonance with national health policy and programs, homeopathy in one nation, one health system, homeopathy and intersectoral linkages, drug standardization and quality control, international linkages, homeopathy as a sports medicine, homeopathy, global work of homeopathy and its common database for homeopaths and patients. In India, most of the government runs clinics, approximately 2,500 clinics, and hospitals have outpatient homeopathy clinics. Around 7% of all ambulances are staffed by the homeopathic personnel. 675 homeopathic doctors have been appointed in Gujarat under the National Rural Health Mission of the Government of India, and 182 part-time government homeopathy dispensaries have been upgraded to full-time status. Dr. Jugal Kishore and Dr. Mukesh Batra, both are homeopaths, received the Indian Government Padma Shri Award in 2012. According to recent Nielsen survey, while 62% of the current homeopathy users have never tried allopathy, and 82% of the homeopathy users would not switch to conventional treatment. According to Ayush 2010 report, rupees 5.58 crores of homeopathic medicine and rupees 2.83 crores of biochemical medicines have been exported in 2019. CCRH. CCRH, it is controlled by the Government of India, Department of Ayush. Mode of formation, the Government of India established the Central Council of Research in Indian Medicine and Homeopathy in the year 1969. As an autonomous body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Central Council for Research in Homeopathy, formally constituted 30th March 1978, was set up as an autonomous organization and registered under the Society Registration Act. CCRH is fully funded and controlled by the Ministry of Ayush. Objective of CCRH to formulate the aims and patterns of research in homeopathy, to initiate, develop, undertake and coordinate scientific research in fundamental and applied aspects of homeopathy, to exchange information with other institutes, associations and societies, to collaborate the research study with other institutes of excellence, to propagate research findings. A glimpse is activities of the Council. CCRH, the board research activity of the Council includes survey collection and cultivation of the medicinal plant, drug standardization, drug proving, clinical verification and clinical research, public health programs of national importance health needs. Under the CCRH, Central Research Institute, in India there are 2 central research institutes, 10 regional research institute, homeopathic drug research institute are 2, 10 clinical research units, 1 clinical verification unit, 1 drug standardization unit, 1 drug proving unit, 1 center for medicinal plant research in homeopathy unit, 1 homeopathy treatment center, and research activities conducted by the CCRH are the clinical verification, clinical research, drug proving, drug standardization, fundamental and collaborative research, survey collection and cultivation of the medicinal plant. Health program conducted by the CCRH are National Program for Prevention and Control for Cancer and Diabetes, Cardiovascular Disease and Strokes, Swasthya Rakshan Program, Homeopathy for Healthy Child, National Campaign on Homeopathy for Mother and Childhood. In epidemic research, CCRH conducted homeopathy in epidemics research since inception. Recent research studied in dengue fever, chikungunya fever, flu-like illnesses, Japanese encephalitis, acute encephalitis syndrome, and in homeopathy in COVID-19 coronavirus infection fact sheet. Next is National Commission for Homeopathy.